Welcome to the YouTube channel, and let's start with their weekly lesson. First video is example of confusing the alien word.
Accident at Turney Studio. 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1 accident at Turney Studio. 1-800-747-3733.
Looking for great music for your tailgate or barbecue? Go to the Odyssey app and download stations built for sports fans. Search for Black Voices and Inspiration.
Adjust your speed according to the road condition. Don't look straight. Look away sometimes. Police chase again. Enjoy the show.
Should've stayed for the signs. I know. Can I help you?
Pay attention to the cars around you. Very simple.
Put all these barriers in between productive and their stigmatize them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive normal society and their drug use, and we make
Heart Radio Jingle Ball, presented by Capital One, is coming to the CW, the biggest holiday music event of the year. You guys ready to dance with me tonight? Dua Lipa brings the heat. Jesus! Lizzo brings the party.
There are no boundaries for him.
So she said, at least this guy goes everywhere with her and goes to a lot of nice restaurants.
The guy tried to overpass everyone and then go around.
Watching too many movies can be harmful. Woo. You should be predictable and watch the cars around you.
Jesus, buddy!
I have no comments for this video. Enjoy. This couldn't be avoided.